After the capacity building workshop on the mechanism of prevention and protection of women's rights, restitution sessions took place in order to popularize the message within communities. 20 sessions were organized and the average of 2,100 people were reached. Each participant had gathered an average of 30 people. The sessions were held in the city of Goma, Beni, Bulengo, Butembo, and in the territory of Nyiragongo in the period from April 10th to May 31st, 2022. 12 sessions were organized in 18 quarters of the city of Goma with 2 participants per quarter. They analyzed the status of implementation of texts on the promotion and protection of women's rights. The subjects discussed were the UN Security Resolution 1325, the follow-up of mechanism of the resolution at the national level, what to do so that the promotion and the protection of women's rights are effective in our country, in our province, and in our decentralized territories entities. Some agreements were reached as follows: to carry out advocacy and action in favor of the respect of legal texts from the promotion and protection of women's rights, to develop strategies so that women occupy decision-making position in the country and institutions. Continue with sensitization so that women denounce all violences of which they are victims. 2,100 people strengthened on the mechanism of conflict prevention and protection of women's rights during and after the conflict. Restitutions were made by the members' organization of Forum of Women Leaders of North Kivu Province. Some recommendations were given by the women, namely, strengthen the capacity of men on prevention and protection because they are alleged perpetrators of women's rights violations. To carry out advocacy action for the implementation of legal instruments that advocate to the prevention and protection of women's rights. COA training at the grassroots level for the alerts, sensitization in remote areas on the UN Security Resolution 1325. Women and men in different entities affected by the restitution have declared themselves satisfied with this subject.